Hello YouTube, here I have my Go H14BM. It's been a little while since I recorded videos on this one, so I want to give you guys my opinion after a couple of months. I did run this quite some time. As you can see here, the body has its sign of wear, and we'll go for a quick spin here and see how it goes. My son is playing with his Shelby Mustang GT500. We have the controller right here. We're gonna set this to 100%. Gonna power this on right here, and it is running 2S LiPo, not 3S. We all know it's capable of 3S. I will be running just one-handed driving. Try to record the car while I'm looking for my kid. So let's see. I know this car does pop wheelies pretty easily, so let's see if it still do. Not this time. Let's go back. It just sounds pretty good. Go through the grass, no problem. It is very powerful, as you can see. It's so easy to drive. This one has very good performance. I always liked this Hypergo. See how quick it goes. It doesn't flip too much. So we're gonna get out of the street here because we have cars coming. And we want to stay away from the street while cars are moving. Stay away from the street, Anthony. And there you have it. The car just went by. Let's keep on going on this one. Look at that. Very easy to control. Good balance. I done a video in the past where I put these tires, which are very cool, nice looking tires, into the other car, the H14BM, and did perform way better. So the tires makes a lot of difference, as well as the suspension on this car, that it is pretty decent as well. I like this car a lot. It's been holding up very good for me for a while now, and as you can see, it really drives pretty good. It is very quick. Oh, then, well, I kind of turned too hard and it flipped, but it's back on its wheel. Gonna go all the way there. Can drive through the grass, no problem. Actually pops wheelies on the grass easier than in the asphalt. Oh, I'm all the way down there in my neighbor, so I don't want to crash there. Coming back straight in front of us. There you have it. There you have it. So it is a pretty cool, decent car. This is supposed to be really just a short video here. Me running on the street. Very, very nice car. So as well as Anthony having a lot of fun with his car. You've seen that car before in this channel. So yeah, so far I'm very happy with this one. Let's see how it looks from inside. Excuse me the music, but that's my son's car playing the music in the background. I know it's kind of annoying, but look at that. Let me turn this off. You have this tiny little brushless motor, ESC. Receiver is in this box right here. ESC with a fan, motor with a fan. Center brace is running the 2S LiPo right here. Little servo as well. Everything here is metal. You see there is some signs of a little bit of rust in that part over there. And that's because I wash this vehicle from time to time. Hey, can you be a little bit quiet for a minute, Anthony? All right, so let's keep on going here. See the suspension. everything on this car, it is holding up pretty good. It's been probably over a year since I purchased this one. I do review several other vehicles, so I don't really get time to play with just one. I need to be reviewing multiple cars all the time. So let me turn now back to 70%, so it's going to be a little bit slower. And you can see here the lighting, the LED. There is a functional knob here. You turn it on and it's right here. This is the functional knob to turn on and off. Anthony is having a lot of fun today. Well, he always have. Let's go with without the body now. See how it goes. This is 70%, so a lot slower, but it's still faster than a lot of other cars. It's beautiful to see how this car performs. I love this car. This car is so much fun. Can definitely do some little jumps. I did turn too hard and it flipped. So I think this is gonna do it for this video. Was supposed to be really just a short review here. Nothing has broken in this car since I got it. Well, I think I had one of the knuckles broke on me, but that was running on the skate park. Running on regular condition like normal people, it doesn't break that easy. Pretty decent car. I'm very happy with this. So I hope that you liked this video. Please consider subscribing if you have not. Ask questions, make comments. I'll get back to you shortly. Thank you. Bye.